How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today's video is a final. I finally got a final, but I still got a lot of work to do on the other stuff, which I'm going to show you here in just a minute. Let me adjust that camera. All right. Before we get this started, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Will never cost you a thing, guys. Never cost you a thing. Subscribing is free. All right, with that being said, I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. Yes, I haven't been on here in a while. Been taking a little break. It's Christmas time, you know, and stuff, and I just haven't been able to do it. You know, a lot of family things, a lot of things going on, you know, just chilling out with the family, family events, you know, everything going on. We had a great Christmas, and believe it or not, I didn't get not one model for Christmas. Not one. Not a one. That's all right. I told everybody not to get me nothing. I got more models than I know what to do with. And if I want something, I'll go buy it. I wasn't worried about it. So, it's all good, guys. And before we get this video, matter of fact, this video is about the final on this van that George had given me. Yeah, the box is rough, but man, the van isn't. The van's done. So I got that done. And I'm mocking up the Corvette that's going to be towed behind it. It's going to be a gasser and a trailer. I've got the Corvette mocked up. I'll show you that too. But when I get done running my gap, I'll turn it around here and I'll show you the van. And then I'll come back to my desk and show you the mock-up on the Corvette. But before we do all that, I got me a shop card from a special buddy of mine. Looky there. All them beautiful bills. That's Brian from Got Fuel's Model Garage. Look at that. That dude went down to Acme. He took some good quality cards. Man, he is a hell of a builder. One of these days I'll be able to build like that. I don't know. But he's awesome. Let me tell you. He does some live streams. The guy is great at everything he does. Good all around guy. And if y'all ain't subscribed to him, the link is below. Go over there and subscribe to him. Matter of fact, I think he just hit the 1,000 subscriber club, man. He's doing really good. Appreciate this guy. He's a great guy, great model builder. Always comments on my stuff, and I always do the same. Guys, go support him. Brian at Got Fuel's Model Garage. And I will have his link below. And anybody that I mention. If I mention anybody in this video, the link will be below. Matter of fact, I'm going to put it right there on the desk. Okay. So, that being said, I'm going to shut my gap. We're going to turn this around. And I'm going to show you the van. Well, guys, here she is in all her glory. That is 119, probably 70, 71, 72 Chevy over-the-road camper van. You can see I did it to kind of emulate the one on the box somewhat. I mean, there might be a little bit of differences, but not a whole lot. There she is. Let's give you a little roll around here. You can see right here, you got the small window that looks out above the sink and stove. You got the vent for the stove. You got the little hookups and the gas and the sewage and whatever stuff there. You got your knobby tires in the back because this thing has a trailer hitch, which ain't got the ball on there right now, but it's going to be pulling a trailer. It's going to have the the whole theme behind this build was, you know, this is dedicated to my mom. She loved Corvettes. She's been gone now for 2 years. And y'all know the story behind it. I ain't going to go into it, but this is a dedication. George gave me the van. I built the van in tribute to him, or, you know, for him giving it to me and everything. He told me to build it. And so I figured I'd put my mom's vet behind it as a weekend drag racer. And like I said, that part of it's not done yet. I still got to build it. And but the first part of it's done, and that's the van. I thought about, you know, debuting them all together, but I figured, nah, y'all have waited on this one long enough, so I figured I'd show it to you. But that's that side of it. Got your front grille. Got your little fog lights. This will come off. This is because it don't open up, but it'll come off. You can see down in there, I don't know how good you can see. Wired the battery, the coil, and I actually wired the thing up, even though it was kind of stupid on my part because you'll never see the wires, but they are wired. You can kind of somewhat from the bottom see that it's wired up, but not enough to really tell. I don't even know why I did it, but I did. I sure did. And there's the side with all the windows, got the curtains. You can look through there, you can see the range and the sink, and then you can see the table, spare tire, the back window curtains. What was crazy about this kit is it did not come with door panels, nothing like that, so I had to do my own detail. I got this where it comes off, of course, you know. Let's take a look at the inside of this. Let me bring it to you. You can see where I did the wood grain. I did the wood grain on all the wood components, the cabinets and everything. This right here is your little bunk right here for put your sleeping bag, bed, whatever up there. I almost thought about putting one up there, but I didn't mess with putting a sleeping bag and stuff. You can see in there the toilet. You can even see the toilet paper. There's the sink. I don't know if you can look through there. There in the back, there's the back bench seat. There is your table. This seat right here would flip over either way, so that's the reason why it looks like that. You can, I don't know if you can see that I made the door panels, front, back. I put carpet in it. It's actually got carpet in it. You can't see the dash and stuff all that good, but there's captain seats. There's your little engine cover. You can't see the detail on the dash from this angle or anything, but I put a little bit of detail to it, not much. But guys, as if you're looking at it from that end, since I got it off, we'll turn her over and let you see the bottom end. There's the bottom of it. Yeah, well, you might be able to see some wire up in there, but it is fully wired. Not that you can see it all. That there's the hubcaps. There's the back deep dish wheels with the mud tires on it. There's looking through the glass. It's all dusty and scratchy and whatever, you know. It's an old kit. There's your tail lights. Like I said, there's not a whole lot to tell you on this, but there she is. There's a final. I'll take pictures of it. But, you know, I don't know if I'll put all these pictures together or not. For simple fact, I still got to do the Corvette and all that. I'll probably make one big, long video when it's all done. But I'm going to shut up and take you to the desk. Follow me to the desk. Well, guys, you know, this is the Corvette that I'm building, that I'm making a gasser out of for my mom's vet. That's what I'll be mocking up, and I will have a trailer will go behind the van, and that will be the car. So now that y'all know which one that is, Move that out of the way and show you what I've done to mock it up. There she is. I don't know if y'all see that very good or not. Let's move it in there. All right. That is one 1956, 57, whatever it was, Corvette. I changed the wheels. It had these ugly, which these are actual wheels because I know the other two Corvette models I got, the Malco Gasser Corvette and the other, you know, those were the actual wheels that would have went on that car. They were some kind of Fenton or something. Can't remember what that's called. Something drag. There's actual wheels, mag wheels back in the day. But I'm not a big fan of them. So since those two other models that I'll build later on that actually come with it, that'll be all right for that. But since how this is going to be a gasser that I'm building, those wheels will not work. As you can see, they got the 5-spoke style wheels. I don't know, torque thrust, Krager, whatever the heck they're called. You can see the stance I got on it. Got that big old gasser front end on it. And another thing, this kit, now, some of the later issues and the two drag Corvettes that I got come with a roll bar, and this kit did not. So, I built this roll bar for it. Very easy to do. I looked at the actual other kits that had them, and that's pretty much how it goes on there. So that's what I did to put them on there. I will be running the soft top because the other Corvettes will have the hard tops. So to be kind of true to the box art, I will try to make these decals work. These decals are cracked and horrible. I've had them sun bleaching in the window for about a month or so, and I got 2 sets of them, so I'm going to spray clear coat on them and see if I can't get them to work. If they don't work, they don't work. We'll figure something else out. But if I can get them to work, the decals will go on this car. Will look like the box art except for the wheels, and it will not have a tunnel ram on it. It's going to have the big blower, just like the instructions show right there. It's going to have that engine sticking out of the hood instead of the tunnel ram. That's what we're going to have sticking out of the hood, just like that. So despite the wheels and the tunnel ram, and it's going to have a roll cage in it, that will be the only difference between the box art and what I'm going to do with it. I might kind of paint it a pearl white. I really don't know. I ain't made my mind yet. It will definitely have the red interior. I'll probably do the engine block red. Here's the engine block. Probably do it red. I got the headers built. You can see right there, and they'll mock up, and the headers will go on it just like that, and hang out the underneath. You'll see it through the fender wells. Man, that's going to be one badass little gasser. Let me pull it off this little rotating stand. Let's put it up over here, and I'll just deconstruct this thing and take that off there. You can see what I'm going for right there, how that's going to mount just like that. I did shaved all them body lines off that. I probably do need to do a little bit more shaving on it. Trying to get as smooth as I can. Had some bad mold lines on it. Do a little bit more sanding on that. Pull that apart. Here's one of the wheels come off, but this is your gasser front end. Let y'all see that right there. See that? It's got like a I-beam style front end gasser with the single spring. Pretty cool little gasser kit. And this is the only kit, I want y'all to know, this is the only kit that you can get this front end. This is the only kit. So with that being said, I have a parts car that I can use the front end, and then I ordered me another one of these models. I found another model just like this on eBay, and I bought me another one because I love that gasser front end. And then I bought another Corvette with the flip nose that I didn't have. I got pretty much every flip nose Corvette there is but this one. And so I bought it, and it's coming in the mail. And I'm going to put this gasser front end on that flip nose. That'll be another cool build for another time. And in the background, I have I guess that's I think that's a Austin or something like that. George gave me that kit, and I put these wheels on it, and starting to mock it up. That might be a soon build right there, guys. And you know, it's got the flip nose front end. The doors will open. When I build it, I'll probably go ahead and hinge the trunk. Seeing how, you know, everything opens but that, might as well hinge that too. But that's a future build. But I got so many builds going on right now. I got the Volkswagen, this one right here, the to my RC Volkswagen, the Sand Scorcher. I got to finish that up sometime soon. I keep telling myself I got to get on there and order that engine from Shapeways for it, and I haven't done it yet, but when I get around to getting that done, that will be one of the next projects for sure, because I want to finish that up. That was gifted to me from the RC Elf, and I dang sure want to finish it up. But we got this one going on. Since this one gets done, it'll be about time for our small scale group build with me and Brian, Mr. BG. And any of y'all's in on that, just comment on this video or comment on the other one so I can get y'all's names wrote down for that. I'm trying to think, is there anything else going on? Oh, yeah. And then, like I said, if I can make Acme this year, I'll be building a Le Mans 1/8 scale Jaguar, the 1962 winner. And thanks to my good buddy Justin at J Hart Models for doing some 3D printing for me. And I'm sure got a few other little things for him to 3D print for me before it's all said and done. Carburetors and a couple other little mirrors, a couple other little things. But other than that, that build will be coming soon because I got a year to get it done, which I'll have to eventually start working on it and make room to kind of have it over to the side because it's such a huge build. But y'all's tired of me rambling. All right. Love y'all. Anybody mention will be in the description below. Y'all have a happy new year if I don't make a video before New Year's. And yeah, go check out Brian. Got Fuels Model Car Garage. Awesome guy. All right, guys. Love y'all. Peace out.